So let's continue to explore how to solve quadratic equation. Here we have an interesting example which actually is a quartic equation. The question is x to the power of 4 minus 10x squared plus 9 equals to 0, and we have to solve this equation. Here the degree is 4 and the equation is quartic, right? Now you can see that we have x squared and x to the power of 4. If I substitute another variable for x squared, then we can actually write this equation as a quadratic equation. Let me show you how. See, let x squared be equals to p, right? If x squared is p, then x to the power of 4 will be equals to p squared, correct? So let's substitute p for x squared or p squared for x to the power of 4. Then what do we get? We get p squared minus 10p plus 9 equals to 0. Now that's a quadratic equation. Now we can factor this. Here the coefficient of p is 1, and so if we can get two numbers whose product is 9 and whose sum is minus 10, then we can factor also, right? So what we are looking for is two numbers r and s, which when multiplied should give me 9, and if I add r and s, I should get minus 10. Now what are these two numbers? Well, 9 times 1. 9 times 1 is 9. Since we need sum of minus 10, both could be negative. When you multiply two negatives, you do get positive also, right? Adding up will give you minus 10. So these are the numbers which can help us factor, right? So using these numbers, we can factor the equation, and it could be written as p minus 9 times p minus 1 equals to 0, right? So we factor this equation. Now we have p minus 9 times p minus 1 equals to 0. That really means that we have two solutions now, right? So that gives rise to two solutions. Now the two solutions are, let's divide the page into two portions. One is p minus 9 equals to 0. The other one is p minus 1 equals to 0, right? Solving them, we get two different answers, which is p equals to 9 and here p equals to 1. But what we need to find? We need to find the value of x. When it says solve, that means find the value of x, which can make the equation true. P is equals to x squared. So let's substitute back x squared for p. So we get x squared equals to 9. If x squared is 9, what is x? X is square root of 9 with plus and minus values, right? So that gives you equals to plus and minus 3. So two solutions on this side. Here x squared equals to 1, that means x is equals to plus and minus square root of 1, which is 1, right? So plus and minus 1. So like this, we get four different solutions. And therefore, solution to the given equation is x is equals to plus and minus 1 or plus and minus 3. So these are the solutions for the given equation. Well, the strategy which you understand from here is substitute so that you can reduce the equation from quartic to quadratic and then apply the techniques learned to solve quadratic equation. I hope you appreciate it. So you can subscribe to my videos and look into more examples with tips and tricks. Thank you.